Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. My name's Austin Newsome. This is your Stock Market Power Lunch. Let's go ahead and jump right in with the markets. The Dow is down about a basis point. It's been alternating about plus or minus a basis point all day. So that's probably changed by the time you're listening to this. The S&P is down about 23 basis points. The Nasdaq's down about 1/3%. Global Dow is down about 0.5%, while gold is down almost a full percent. In terms of the movers for today, there are really two worth noting. The first one is Nintendo. Nintendo is actually down today about 6%. Deutsche Bank downgraded them from a buy to a hold. And I think that, along with people just ready to cash out on their investment, has brought the stock price down a little bit. I think people are ready to get their money after the $23 jump in the stock price. And I think that's what's affected it today. The other big mover today is Netflix. Netflix is down almost 14% after poor results reporting, in addition to a price hike in their monthly subscription costs, which to somebody like me, a college student, every dollar counts. And Netflix raising the price, I think they raised it $2 to $10 a month, can really be a deal breaker. And so unfortunately, that has affected the stock negatively. And this decline has wiped away nearly $6 billion in market value, according to MarketWatch. In terms of interns, big news here. There is a Pokemon gym. I know we talk about this all the time, but there's a Pokemon gym right across the street from Narwhal. And for the longest time, it has not been under the intern team. All the interns here are team blue. It's always either been red or yellow. But I'm proud to say that intern Scotty and intern Joseph have wiped away the competition and stepped up. Scotty is coming in hot with his Flareon. It's not quite 1,000 CP, but it's right under. Very, very strong. Joseph came in with his Pharaoh, also very strong flying type. Unfortunately, I'm still building my Pokefolio, so to speak, so I have not yet gotten in on that fun, but a special congratulations to those guys. We're super proud of you, at least I am. I know Matt and Andrew are unfortunately team red, so they will not be happy to hear that. But of course, I'm going to support my fellow interns. Lastly, we conducted our interview with Cody Willard last night. I listened in as Andrew talked to him via Skype. It was a great interview. He's a super interesting person. I really cannot urge you guys enough to go check it out. I had a blast listening to it, and I couldn't even fully hear it. Andrew had his earphones in, so I only picked up bits and pieces and still sat there just completely encapsulated by this conversation. It's a great interview. Keep an eye out for it. Around 2:30 is about the time we'll be publishing it. If you listen to us via audio, that should go straight to your feed, but you can also check it out on Spreaker.com. Just search Tusk Media, that's our profile. And be sure to hit subscribe and leave a 5-star review. We're really happy about this interview. We hope you guys enjoy it. Give us a 5-star review. Let us know what you think of the interview. He mentioned he might want to come on another time, so maybe give us some suggestions about what we should ask him next time, what we should talk to him about. But that's been it for your Stock Market Power Lunch. We'll see you guys, unfortunately not this afternoon, but tomorrow morning for your morning market mimosa. And until then, be well.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.